Good morning. Oh, watch your step. The other two bikers are leaving. They from New York City. The guys from Iowa, they left yesterday. Oh, welcome Blue Bike North channel for the last day of riding around the mountains before we head home. We might get wet today. I don't know. Stay tuned. Oh, here comes the garbage man. They pick up garbage every day. That's enough about the garbage man. Run that intro. No, she's not. She's going up. Whoo, shoot. Okay, so, well, we rolling out the Peter Pancake. Whoa, that light changed quick. It's, well, we wait, start today. It's 9 o'clock, 10 minutes till 59 degrees, but that's okay. We ain't got no plans. So we can turn back the wheels of time. Catch them all. Hey, look, it's a garbage man again. They pick up garbage every day. This is the place, Peter Pancake and Waffles. Chicken and waffles, no out today. There, he was back there swimming. Hey, turkey. Alright, we hear wheels through time. Where you going, dude? I'm gonna go down here and turn around and pull back in like these guys did. Oh, there's... As we follow Ben through his impression of wheels through time. He died of cancer, stomach cancer. My video is going to be about you going through it.
What's that?
Straighten up a little bit since last time we was here. Like this stuff was upstairs at one time, I thought.
Doyle, get out of the video.
Brass, or that'd be a gold plated oil thing. Yep, they have definitely upgraded since last time I was here. Hey, Black Phoenix Entertainment, so you got a portable stage. This is a Harley portable stage.
How y'all doing? Good. We're gonna see anyone rip it apart in the shop. I do enjoy the YouTube videos. When I get time to watch them, that's what I sit down and watch them. With the supercharger or whatever. It'd be nice to see him get that actually right of it, because that is a cool looking car. It doesn't look like it's very comfortable. Then I saw his first shop when he went out right next to us. So I probably drove by that shop.
That's where they worked on them. Still use the shop for the shop. Had to have a fan to cool it.
Well, let me tell you the story on it, since we have enough people here. You might want to take a seat, Joe. And here's an extra chair, because it takes a couple minutes to get here. All right. It's got a heck of a story on it. Here's another chair if anybody needs one. So, this is the 1916 Traub motorcycle. It's a prototype. It's a one-of-one only. Okay? So, this was built in 1916 by Gottlieb Richard Traub, which was a Jewish-German machinist whose brother worked for the Aurora Auto Machine.
Well, see, you can tell the people that's been through here a while. We makes the loop. Well, Ben's still looking when we started.
Hey.
think I got to the back half yet.
No, that's what I said. You still in the front.
It is upstairs.
Oh, you done been upstairs?
Not yet.
We do that later. So what do you think about it?
It's pretty damn awesome.
See, it's changed since last time we was here. Probably 21, because we was here before Dale died. And it was so packed in here, and it was dark. You couldn't hardly see anything, so they cleaned it up a lot.
Makes it easier for you to grab a bike and just leave.
Everything runs. I'll run out of battery.
The road dog has an extra large oil fan under his feet.
Yeah.
This place really runs the gamut, and there's just a lot of amazing stuff here.
Yeah, definitely. If you hadn't been within the last 2 or 3 years, you need to come back. Because they have changed it a lot since the last time I was here. I mean, they have added more motorcycles now. Captain Kangaroo says swing bicycles. Note the oil pan.
No, it's an oil mat.
But there's a pan on top of the mat. I didn't know what the problem is. They ain't got no air in the tire.
Sneak down like a newer bike. He's so down with that. I take that thing everywhere.
Hey, you working, so we leaving Wheels Through Time. Pretty neat. We seen it. They remodeled a lot of it. So we leaving Wheels Through Times. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. If you ain't been in a while, they redid it. So go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a big thumbs up. We'll catch you later, alligator. Ooh, a victory.